Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Theta Network, guys. In this video, again, I'm talking about Theta Network price update. In absolutely, we're going to shortly predicate Theta Network because a lot of people, and especially at this time, a lot of people message me about Theta that kindly, what should be the next move? What should we do in the right now situation? Is it a good time buy, sell, or hold? You know what? A lot of people or don't know about trading, guys, but they want to invest in crypto. So that's why I suggest for all of you guys that just hold. You know what? Theta Network in from previous last 5 months, I found Theta Network is in the lows. From 11 to 12 USD dollar, the price falls to 6 USD dollar. So that is why I recommend it's time to hold, not to sell, because Theta Network is in the huge loss. But guys, that's good news. That's great news that you as you can see here, guys, in October the changes of Theta Network becomes positive. You can see the last 1 week, last 1 day changes is positive, and now the latest update only last 1 hour update is negative. So guys, that's not mean then you decide to sell possibilities. That's a temporary changes. I also predicated in my previous videos, guys, that Theta Network price will pump in the last of October, guys. So just wait, guys, just wait for that huge pump, and I believe that very soon you found Theta Network is in the huge pump, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion about Theta Network? My opinion is positive, and for all holders, I recommend holding, because the price is very cheap in the right now situation. So just wait for the pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.